Boom!
Boom!
All right.
Welcome to Corban's sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Adventures and Learning. I'm Corban, that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making a paper banger.
All right, so Corban, what do we need for our paper banger?
A piece of construction paper.
Yes, or any stiff paper. So let's get. All right, Corban, so what's the first step?
You're going to fold your paper in half like this. Then you're going to crease it. Now you're going to reopen it.
All right, let's go to the
Next step.
What's the next step?
I'm going to fold these corners. I'm going to fold the corners to the center.
Okay, so you turned it so it's vertical.
And now we're going to do the other side.
Okay, make sure you crease the triangles there.
Here, crease it.
All right, crease it.
And now fold it again. Crease, crease, crease. More crease. Crease. And this is how it should look.
Okay, what's the next step?
We're gonna fold it in half.
All right, so you turned it and you're gonna fold it in half.
Again.
All right, make sure you have those creases.
Then we go to the next step.
All right, Corban, what's the next step?
So we're gonna fold this in half.
All right, so you're folding that.
It's a lot of folding in half in here.
Yeah. All right, making sure those corners line up and doing your creases there.
Now we're gonna reopen it and we'll go to the next step.
All right. Okay, Corban, what's the next step?
We're gonna fold these corners to here like this.
Okay. All right, you're doing the other side?
Yes. Other side. I'm gonna fold them to the center.
All right, make sure you do those creases. Go.
And this is what it should look like.
All right, what's the next step?
Then we're gonna do this.
Okay, you're folding it back.
Crease, crease, crease. And this is what it should look like. You made a paper banger.
All right, and how are you holding it, Corban?
We're holding it by the edges.
Okay, so we'll test it out.
Yay!
Go.
So you're gonna hold it up right above your head, and then you're gonna swing it down like this.
All right.
Yay!
All right, so this works because the banger produces a quick and large movement of air.
That produces a powerful sound wave.
It's very cool.
Boom!
All right, so thanks for
Watching. Bye!
Bye.